Accompt gives you a clear view of your savings to help you move toward your financial goals with confidence. Savings accounts are organized by owners, accounts, and categories. An account can belong to one person or multiple household members to easily track individual or joint savings accounts. You can create a savings account right on your savings dashboard by clicking Create Account and completing the form that appears. Start by selecting the household members who own the account. Then give the account a short, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Next, enter the financial institution that provides the account, choose the account category, and select a color to help you identify it on charts. Then click Add. Once an account is created, you will see it appear in your accounts list. To manage your savings accounts, navigate to the Savings panel of the Settings page. Here, you can easily view and edit or delete any existing accounts. You can create a new savings account to be tracked as well. Savings categories can be managed by clicking the Categories tab. You will see savings categories for both accounts and transactions. Transaction categories are further divided into deposits and withdrawals. A new category can be easily created by simply clicking the Add Category text and entering the name and color identifier. You can also quickly edit a category or delete one that you don't need. With your accounts and categories in place, you're ready to monitor progress and stay on track to hit your savings goals. Congratulations on taking the first step toward a clearer financial picture. Welcome to Accompt.